2017 Volkswagen Tiguan, we're going to be replacing the passenger side turn signal bulb. You're going to remove this cover that's on the inside of the headlight assembly. The headlight, the low beam is on this side, so this is going to be this one right here. There's going to be a tab at the bottom right there that you're going to use to remove the bulb. You're going to turn that counterclockwise to remove it. So you're going to hold it with 2 fingers, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it out. It might get stuck on a few of those wires that you see here. That's okay. And then that is the turn signal bulb. You press down to twist out. Okay, to put it back in, a brand new one, there's 2 little tabs on the edge of it. They go up. You put it in. There's only one way to go in. You push down and then twist it, and it's in. Now, to put it back in, remember those wires. They go on. The bulb goes underneath those wires. Let me fish them up. Okay, line it up with the hole. And you just put it in as far as you can, and there is little tabs that have to line up. Once they're in there, you can twist it clockwise, hear it click, and it's in. And that's how you replace after you put the cover back on.